My name is Enio. I will give a brief introduction of the process diagrams. The process diagrams are very important in the manufacturing industry because they give a clear perspective of process with with every steps including materials, time, distance and other. This helps the engineer to interpret and analyze the manufacturing process and make decisions that will improve the process without begin to watch how everything works. The diagram is composed by three parts: header, body and summary. In the header you will include all the relative information, such as company, make, analysis, that process, area, page, numbers, type of diagram, etc. In the body, you will draw the diagram that's required according to the specifications of each type and of the process. And the summary, you will write all the steps that the process has included. Time is most important factor because we use the calculate the process efficiency and the productivity. And here is an example with the parts of a process diagrams. In this example, this part is of the header. Is the header, and this part it's the body, and this part is the summary, and everything is the complete process diagrams. Thank you.
My name is Reina Maria Garcia Marroquin, and I was to talk about operations diagrams. This diagram is a graphic representation of the operations and inspections in a production process. In this diagram, we'll include the following symbols. Operation. Operation is when the process has materials transformation or involves any action or activity for the creation of products. The next one is inspection. Inspection is when we check now the process is going and also the quality of product during the manufacturing process. And we have combined. Combined, this is operation inspection and is used when in the process you have to check the products during an operation. Thank you very much.
Hi, my name is Jose Lemus and I am going to explain what is a process flow diagram. A process flow diagram is a graphical representation of the steps that follows a chronologic sequence of the activities in a process procedure, identifying them with symbols according to its nature, and also includes all the considered important information that is needed for the analysis. This helps us to discover and eliminate waste and delays, making the process more efficient and increase the productivity in the manufacturing industry. This is an example of a process flow diagram. With this example, I am going to explain how to make a process flow diagram for making chocolate. First, we have the header. In company name, we have to put the name of the company that will make the chocolate. In the analyst, in this case, is Jose Lemus. Date September 10 of 2012. Process make chocolate. Area kitchen. Type of diagram. Process flow diagram. Page 1 of 1. We have these steps to make chocolate. 1. Get cocoa beans. 2. Roast cocoa beans for 20 minutes. 3. Crack and winnow the beans. 4. Grind the nibs into cocoa liquor. 5. Crunch and refine the chocolate. 6. Temper the chocolate. 7. Mold the chocolate. 8. Harden overnight in the refrigerator. 9. Transport to the shop. 10. Storage. The first steps corresponds to storage. The second step that corresponds to delay that is used when nothing is being done in the process. In the third steps corresponds to operation, that is when the process has a material transformation. In window the beans corresponds to operations. Grind the nibs corresponds to operation. Crunch the chocolate corresponds to operation. Temper the chocolate correspond inspection, that is when we check how the process is going. 7. Mold the chocolate, that is operation. 8. Harden in the freezer. 9. Transport to the shop, that is when the product is moved more than 1.5 meters. And 10. Storage. In the summary, we have to put all the symbols, a number of steps and descriptions, and time of every step in the process.
Hello, my name is Enrique and I'm going to talk about the process travel diagram. The process travel diagram is based on the process flow diagram. The unique difference that the process travel diagram presents a plan view of the storage. Now the requirements and the symbols are the same. The principal requirements are that the time that have to be given in minutes and that the description have to be at the left part. At the summary, we have to present the number of steps and the summary of time. Now the symbols are the next ones. The principal symbols are this one: storage, process, inspection, combine, delay, and transportation. The storage is used only at the start and the finish of the process. The process it means any process that we have in the total process. The inspection refers to any inspection that we release. Combine is the combination of the last ones. Delay refers to any time that it's waiting, and transportation is used only when we have to transport something more than 1.5 meters. Now I'm going to give an example with a little picture. In this picture, we can see a process. In this part, we can use the symbol of transportation because we transport the material of the product to a vehicle. Because we transport the material of the product to a vehicle. In this part, we can think that there is a delay because in this process we lose time. And this part we can use the storage because it's the start and the finish of the process. And any of these ones little picture we can say that it's an operation, and this one it's an inspection. This is a little example of the process diagram.